Wonder if we can just get there and roll the bikes over. Pick it up. Yeah. Yep. I'm just saying, we get there and we manually pick it up. Yeah. God damn it. Smart man. Huh? Yeah, let me get my breath. Hang on, let me get out of gear. Oh, hang on, my rest. Whew. Yeah. Go left. Yes. Huh. You got the tree down on it right there. Yeah. So you'd have to go back out.
That might be 40.
That one I got blocked off?
No, so we did 41.
Our next trail needs to be 0 diamond. Both of mine were cramped. When I was coming down the loop, I couldn't move my hand. It cramped. And then this one was doing it right back there. I just drank a Pedialyte, but should have drank it first thing this morning instead of coffee. Well, gotta have my coffee. Can't function without coffee. So, okay. Well, we might can get it. What do you want me to do? Let me be on this side, so. You don't want to manually try to pick it?
Oh, yeah, bring it forward. I'm not used to it.
Okay. Yeah. All right, hang on. Let me get back here and pick up the bag. Another fucking root. Go up here. I'm not cranking it. see my heart rate right now. I can fucking. Hopefully that tree wouldn't have been that bad. Oh yeah. When I had my park, that was the best time for me. On my skid steer, track maintenance, trail maintenance. I know one time we had a major storm, and me and two of my guys just went out just to cut a couple trees, and we cut up 9. We wasn't prepared for 9. Didn't take no water. It just after everywhere you went, there was a tree. I guess we'll follow you out.